Signing up for a Proxibid account is free, fast, easy, and secure. To begin, click the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the screen. Then type your email address and select a username and password. Review and agree to Proxibid's user terms and privacy policy, and click your Create Account button. Next, enter your shipping information: phone number, date of birth, and select the security question and answer. Continue to enter your billing details, add your credit card information, and click Save Card. Proxibid values your trust and uses industry-leading technology and fraud prevention tools to help keep you and your information secure. To complete your account, we must verify your email address. The yellow message bar at the top of the screen will prompt you to check your inbox. Once you've verified your email, your account is complete and you are ready to bid and buy on Proxibid.